Well, I deserved every bit of that one. Wasn't ready, screwing around. Anchored all precariously, and then you get a big one. What do you think? Overslot? Maybe. I never got to look at it, but it was a pretty big one. Oh. I got a tugger. He got me all up in the woods too. Still on there. Alright, let's see what I can do from over here. It's still on the hook. Well, if he won't come to me, I'm gonna go to him. Come on out of there, brother. Come on out of there. Oh, he might have come out of the weeds. Oh, he might have bit me. Yeah, he's done. There we go. Got me. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Epic. Whoosh. Son of a bitch. Yeah, I don't think there's gonna be another fish in there.